In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys things that you should be doing right now to prepare your shop for the holiday rush. So if you're ready to finish the last quarter of the year strong and blow up your shop with sales, then make sure to watch all the way to the end. First of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nancy and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe for weekly videos. Now let's talk about how to set up your shop for a successful holiday season where you actually get sales. And I'm going to be covering in this video 3 main topics: how to get your shop ready for the rush, what tools to use to see what's trending, and how to amplify your reach so you could blow up your sales. Now, one of the things that you should be doing to get your shop ready for the holiday rush is updating your inventory. If you're thinking of adding new listings, this is the time to start adding them. Many people, including myself, shop early for the holidays. So there's no better time than now to get them all done and all up. Now, make sure that you're also sharing important shipping details with shoppers. I will make sure to add this everywhere. So therefore, adding it to your Etsy photos, your listing description, your shop policy, your shop announcement, and message to buyers. Think about how long it takes you to prep an order before it ships and adjust your time accordingly. Another thing to consider is including gift wrapping with any purchase. Many people are buying on Etsy for a family or a friend, and because of COVID, they might be shipping their gifts. So providing gift wrapping as an option might give them the push to buy from your shop. So in addition, you want to make sure to make yourself available to connect with customers via messages quickly. So what I recommend is making sure that you download the Sell on Etsy app so you can respond to messages when you are away from your computer. Always keep in mind, the quicker you respond, the higher the chances that they might buy from your store. Now, I will also consider adding a holiday banner and featuring your top holiday products. This is a great way to showcase your best sellers and give exposure to products your prospective buyers have not seen and might be interested in buying. And another pro tip is looking at your Etsy stats from last year and seeing what worked, what didn't work. This is going to give you insight on key performing indicators that you could start applying towards this year. Now, let's talk about tools that you could use to see what's trending. The first tool is the Marketplace Insights that Etsy released a couple months ago. I will leave the link in the description box below, and you will be able to view the 2021 holiday trends. And you will be able to see what's popular this season by category, and this will give you insight on what's trending and if it's something that you could actually add to your shop as long as it's within your niche. Another tool that I recommend checking out is eRank. They have a feature called Hot that showcases what's trending on Etsy and other marketplaces like Pinterest and Facebook, just to kind of name a few. I personally use this tool to see what's trending on Pinterest so I could use these keywords to optimize my pins and drive more traffic from Pinterest to my Etsy shop. So if you have enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to show me some love by liking and commenting below. Also, if you're ready to take your Etsy traffic and sales through the roof, make sure to grab my free Etsy SEO guide. I will leave the link in the description box below as well. And finally, let's discuss how to amplify your reach and attract more prospective buyers during the holiday rush. The number one platform I recommend to promote your products during the holiday season is Pinterest. I know I talk about them a lot. And millions of shoppers visit Pinterest during the holiday season. So what I recommend is making sure that you have a content strategy in place and experiment with static images, with video pins, and idea pins. And if the holiday season is your peak season, when you sell the most, I highly recommend running Etsy ads. You could either promote your entire store or select your best sellers, select the daily budget, and let it run the whole time. And for special occasions like Black Friday or Cyber Week, consider lowering your prices less than your competitors, because this will definitely help you get in some extra sales. Now, while focusing on new leads is great, Make sure not to forget about customer retention. I recommend setting up a thank you coupon that should be sent 24 hours after you mark an order as complete to encourage that buyer to become a repeat customer. In addition, include a handwritten thank you card to make the experience a memorable one for the customer. These are my top tips to help you get ready for the holiday season. Let me know in the comments below how you are getting ready for the holiday rush. And if you have any additional tips, leave them below. Thanks for watching.